In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Meet Raise Your Hand feature. This feature is a handy tool that can really enhance your online meetings, ensuring that everyone has an opportunity to speak without interruptions. It's perfect for virtual classrooms, team meetings, or any scenario where multiple people need to contribute their thoughts. So, let's dive in and see how you can make the most of it. First, you'll want to head over to Google Calendar. This is the usual hub for scheduling and joining meetings, and it's where the journey begins. Once you're on your calendar, find the event you want to attend. If you've set up a meeting, or if someone else has set up a meeting for you, it will already be listed. This is the gateway to entering your Google Meet session. Next, to join the meeting, you'll need to click on the Join with Google Meet button. This action is fairly straightforward and crucial to enter the virtual meeting space. Once you click, a new window or tab will open, ushering you right into the meeting environment. Here, you'll be prompted to confirm your participation by clicking Join Now. This step is essential, as it actually places you into the meeting as an active participant. Don't forget to check your audio and video settings if necessary. It's always good to ensure everything is working smoothly from the start. Now that you're inside the meeting, let's focus on the Raise Your Hand feature. Look down at the control bar, typically located at the bottom center of your screen. Here, you'll find the Raise Hand icon. This feature is incredibly useful in maintaining order during larger meetings. By clicking on this icon, you'll effectively signal to the host and other participants that you have something to say. It's a courteous way to indicate your desire to speak, without interrupting the current speaker or conversation. This feature can be deactivated just as easily. If you decide you no longer need to speak, or if your query has already been addressed, you can click the lower hand button to remove your request. This action keeps the meeting running smoothly and ensures others have their chance to contribute. Utilizing the Raise Your Hand feature thoughtfully can help foster a productive and respectful online environment where every participant feels heard and respected. So, there you have it. The Raise Your Hand feature in Google Meet is a simple yet powerful tool to help manage and contribute to virtual discussions effectively. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to handle any group meeting scenario with confidence and clarity. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this tool as useful as I do in your online meetings.